There are plenty of words you could use to describe Brock Lesnar. Warrior, cowboy, but none fit him as aptly as Beast. There's never been a superstar that has personified dominance like the Beast Incarnate, Brock Lesnar.
The mere presence of Brock Lesnar in the ring fills this arena with an air of anticipation. Everyone wants to know what level of carnage he will unleash in this match.
I think it's a safe bet that Lesnar will exceed whatever your expectations might be in that regard. When it comes to in-ring competition, Lesnar never holds back.
On the opposite side of the ring stands the Hitman. Bret Hart can launch an attack from so many places that it's impossible to prepare for them all.
Well, that's part of Bret Hart's dungeon training. Bret wants to beat the best, to prove he is the best. You got to respect that.
How does a superstar even begin to deal with a mastermind of technical wrestling like Bret Hart?
By being disruptive. You can't let Bret control the pace of this match or take you down to the mat. You have to throw chaos his way and keep him off balance.
Backbreaker. Pretty sure I invented that move. One strong attack after another.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Hart is being stifled in this one.
And this is what I was saying earlier about not letting Hart control the pace of this match. All the Hitman's plans are unraveling.
Could really use a sense of urgency right now when it comes to getting back in the ring.
On a slam.
Sharp blow to the neck. He's got his sights locked in now.
Lesnar saw it coming.
Lesnar goes behind.
A German suplex release.
From a seated position, this takes tremendous power.
Suplex delivered.
Peeling their opponent off of the ground, hooking the leg. Fisherman Buster.
Targeting the arm now. Uh-oh, pulling the hair into a mat slam. And Hitman getting caught by an effective bit of offense that time.
That's the brutality we've come to expect from Brock.
And that toss sent them soaring. Not the prettiest thing. Contact. Incredible domination from Brock here.
Lesnar's looking very determined. Waistlock applied and launched into a German.
Bret is not finding a way to gain the edge.
The Hitman is showing some vulnerabilities in his game.
He's able to combat out of Brock's grip. And he slides him back to the mat. Climbing to the top rope here.
To the sky. Misses big time.
What a counter. This could be it. Hart with the cover.
It's unthinkable. Someone beating the one count at this point.
Lesnar wards him off.
Power from the suplex. An unyielding Lesnar on the attack.
It is scary how much Lesnar enjoys dishing out this punishment.
And he's got to be in absolute agony right now.
This could be the defining moment of this match for him. What does he do now?
Here we go. German suplex by Lesnar.
Lesnar with a well-timed shot. One step ahead there.
Bret showing how much punishment he can withstand before getting his own offense in.
Yeah, Hart able to momentarily stop the bleeding, but will he also gain command of this match?
For a Fisherman Buster.
Hart just can't stop this attack.
The Hitman unable to use his wide arsenal here.
Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
Attacking the arm.
Great way to break down your opponent.
Sharp elbow to the gut turns that one around. Oof, a shot like that would counter any attack.
Pulled back in, belly-to-belly suplex.
The Beast in Predator mode. Brock's like a beast playing with its food.
Using the elbow to escape the attack. Gets out of the way of that one. Clothesline.
Retaliation from the Hitman. Armbar.
Punishing stretch.
Uh-oh. Fist directly to the guts. Lifted and completely helpless here. Oh, my goodness. Gets lifted into position. Oh, face first off the apron. Would you just look at him? Brock Lesnar, the Beast Incarnate. Oh, wow, what power. He's really pushing the limit here, getting close to a countout.
No idea where this one's heading. Watch the knee.
Takedown, and now punches, rights.
Ooh, just
not looking good in this position. Oh, watch this, fellas. Bret is not finding a way to gain the edge.
The Hitman unable to use his wide arsenal here.
Into the ring again now.
And the knee.
Hart is being stifled in this one.
rare to see the Hitman baffled like this.
Ouch. That's one way to get your opponent out of the corner.
Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Got them off their feet here.
Can't prepare your face for that.
Here's the pump handle. Suplex.
Launched.
Ruthless striking.
Lesnar is just having his way right now.
Lesnar is calling the shots now.
And turning it into a match for something here.
Oh, right to the throat. Ooh.
This is a situation you want to avoid.
Bang! Has Brock delivered the exclamation.
He kicks out somehow.
And that right there is why Bret Hart is on another level.
Lesnar doesn't get paid by the hour. He wanted this to be over second.
What's coming here?
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Belly to belly, oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Brock Lesnar is feeding off the energy in the WWE Universe.
Clearly lost in the moment. He better snap out of it. Misses the target. Hart just can't stop this attack.
The Hitman is showing some vulnerabilities in his game. The Hitman has got it cinched in. The sharpshooter. This is a rare sight. Brock Lesnar in serious pain.
One last gasp effort, and that'll do it. Strong suplex. Lesnar delivering with
What's coming here? Submission move being applied.
the heel hook, able to reach the ropes and break the hold.
Oh man, targeting the leg.
Punch straight to the face, staves off the attack.
Driver. You don't hit a move like that with
Shoulders down, going for the win.
No, kick out at two.
And you got to think he's just one final blow away from...
Hart steps through, trying to flip his opponent over, and the sharpshooter is it.
One last gasp effort, and that'll do it. So much punishment has been absorbed by these men already.
And yet, they are still going. Still ready for more.
Totally helpless at the moment. Running power slam.
Lesnar will be your tour guide for this trip to Suplex City. Such a potent display of power and control there.
Calculating the next move here.
The lights are dimming for the Hitman.
It's been a struggle for these competitors to find an end to this match.
But the struggle's worth it. With every move you make, you hear this capacity crowd following you on that journey.
Being carried around now. Running power slam. Bret is not finding a way to gain the edge.
Rare to see the Hitman baffled like this.
What a display of strength here. Power slam. These are big power moves becoming more devastating with every attempt.
Lesnar
He has the advantage here, guys.
Yeah, Lesnar is proving hard to keep up with.
And he saw that coming from Brock. Big
going for the cover. He might just have it.
quick count out after one.
Incredible resiliency.
What are they doing here? And Hart continues to persevere through the pain.
That's Bret physically willing the momentum to stay on his side.
Lands the cross body. Forearms for the second rope.
Driving down.
Caught that and reversed it. Carrying the opposition. What's the thought here?
Face first.
And he counters. Uh-oh. Timely counter by Lesnar. Suplex. Going for a power slam. Slips down from behind. And an inverted DDT.
Hitman is lasered in. Could be looking for it. What a beaut. Turns that into a suplex.
What a match this has been. What a fight.
We are all glad to be witnessing such an extraordinary match tonight.
Hoisted up high here. Running power slam.
Just another insane display of power.
Caught in a bad spot. F5.
Oh, my. And this has to be the end of it.
Picked up and being carried around now. Bret is not finding a way to gain the edge.
The Hitman is showing some vulnerabilities in his game.
Uh-oh. Has to find a way out of this. F5.
Brock could be seconds away.
Look at Lesnar. WWE Universe knows he's the most dangerous man in the building.
Setting it up.
Out. Complete command here. Brock's like a beast playing with its food. And Bret gets countered.
Brock Lesnar looking for the submission. Oh no, Brock's got it. And he's tapping. He had to tap. He had no choice.
Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now. Arm wringer applied. Top wrist lock. Opponent down to one knee.
Shot to the body and another.
Drop kick. Oh, great height.
It's been a hardship for these superstars to get to this point. I think these fans are driving them to claw that extra inch.
You can sense the ride these fans have been on, and I'm like,
Brock Lesnar may break the eye.